Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the image and launching Color Fix. You need the updated V2. One or later because it fixes profile handling. Once done, set your workspace to sRGB or the target profile so corrections map predictably. Next, enable GPU acceleration for smoother previews, then create a duplicate layer to preserve the original. You do this to compare before and after without irreversible changes. Now that the file is ready and duplicated, move to local adjustments. Now perform targeted corrections. Sample a neutral area with the eyedropper to set the neutral point and correct color cast, because this anchors all subsequent shifts. Next, adjust temperature and tint for global balance, then refine with midtone, shadow, and highlight sliders to restore detail. When you need precision, add a mask to restrict changes to hair, skin, or skies. Also consult the histogram and toggle the preview at 50% zoom so you can see real visual impact without overreacting to noise. Finish by exporting clean masters and keeping layered PSD backups so you can revisit edits. Export a 16-bit TIFF or PNG for high-quality outputs. Once done, soft-proof to your target output and make small gamut adjustments to ensure printable or web-safe colors. If colors appear clipped or posterized, reduce global saturation slightly and switch to selective HSL or luminance tweaks. This recovers detail without undoing your balance. If things still go wrong, reset the layer and reapply the neutral eyedrop step to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.